This series of GoLang slice. We have already seen what is array. Slice is a bit different from array. So in array you need to define the size in the beginning, but in slice you don't need to define the size. Okay, so if you don't know what will be the size of the array, don't define the array, just you can use the slice. Okay, now slice, to define the slice, var for any variable we use. Now nums, I'll use the variable name of slice and then int. Here you can see I'm not giving the size of this nums, so this is the slice, and you can now print it fmt.println slice nums. Okay, you can also print the length of the slice, so length equal to len function we use to find the length, and then capacity also you can print using the cap function. So we'll use okay, and then if there is any value you can print that in the using nums. Okay, I'll just give a space. Now there is another way you can print slice is using make function. So I'll use another function where numbers equal to make, and then you can define the size, type, capacity of the slice. So here we'll see that I'll define of type integer, length I'll define 5, capacity also 5. Okay, now we'll use the same print, but this time we'll print the numbers. Okay, so instead of num it will be numbers. Okay, now you can also use slice in case of condition checking. If nums equal to nil, then you can just print slice is empty. Okay, so let's print it now. So you can see the first print, slice is empty, gets printed. Then since it is empty, its length and capacity both is null, values are also empty. But in the second case we have defined the slice, but we have given the initial length and capacity is 5, length is 5, capacity is 5, and its value is this. Now if you want you can add the values as well. Numbers 0 equal to 1, numbers 1 equal, at index 1 I want to store 2, so let's now print it. So you will see that 1 and 2 which we have entered at 0 and 1 index gets printed with the values. So that's how you can use the slice if you don't know the size of the array. Otherwise you can use, if you know the size of the array, then use this array itself. So slice is an abstraction over the array. So it acts as an abstraction over the array. and the underlying data structure is array itself. Okay. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for our new video on Go programming. And if you have not watched our previous video, I would recommend to go and watch our previous videos.